Hey besties, in my last video I showed you how I made $1,000 on YouTube without monetization, but I didn't really fully break it down. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step. And yes, even if you have 0 subscribers or no watch time hours yet, you do not need to wait until you have subscribers or watch time hours before you start to make money on the YouTube space. And that is exactly what I want to break down for you in this video. Hello you guys, and welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel here I teach you everything about growing your own YouTube money and smiling to the bank. So if this is something that you would really love to know or want to continually see as content, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Let me know what you are struggling with on your YouTube channel in the comment section. Okay you guys, so let's dive straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is understand that you don't need AdSense to make money on the YouTube space, right? Because of course AdSense is where you get all your money paid from your YouTube channel once you are monetized, and because of that you are going to need to monetize first before you can start getting paid on your AdSense account. But here in this video today, you don't need to wait for monetization before you actually get paid, right? And that is why I want to break it down for you. Now there are 3 main ways that you can actually make money on the YouTube space, and these are some of the things that I have done while running my 5 YouTube channels, even before I got to monetize 4 of them, right? The 3 main ways you can actually make money on the YouTube space without monetization, which I've actually tried out on my 5 YouTube channels before I was able to monetize 4 out of them, is number 1, affiliate marketing. This is where you advertise or talk about people's products, having links where people can actually buy this product, and then you get commissions when they make any purchase, right? Number 2 is digital product or your service. This is you creating like a course or creating like a seminar or creating like a digital product that you can sell to people, or a digital service that you can actually provide to people and then they pay you for it, right? And then number 3, this is external traffic monetization. This is where you get to bring traffic from other places to your YouTube channel to help you get monetized. Right now, in order for you to make money, you need to have solutions to people's problem. This is just the simple trick, right? And one of the ways that I made money with was selling of my services, right? Now I have a solution of how people can actually make money on the YouTube space, because I have started my YouTube channels, or I started making content on YouTube since 2021, and since that time I've created a lot of mistakes. I've made a lot of joyful moments. I made a lot of milestones. I run multiple channels, and I've learned a lot of lessons that I can actually teach people, right, on how to get started on a very good slate and then make money straight up without delays, without all of the mistakes that I made. So this is something that you can actually do if you have the knowledge about something. So with that knowledge, I was able to teach people and then make money in exchange for my services, right? This channel, I don't even have up to 200 subscribers. I don't even have up to 500 watch time hours, but I have already cashed out from this channel, right, by selling my services. So that is one of the ways that I use to make money on this YouTube platform. But then you cannot just make money on this YouTube platform by selling your product. There are some things that you need to understand. There are some things you need to put in place. There are ways that you need to do, or things you need to do to attract the audience that are actually going to pay you, because not everybody that watch your videos are going to want to pay for your services. But there are things that you need to do in order for people to want to pay for your services, and one of those things, which is the things that I concentrate more on, is focusing on creating videos that solves problems. Like I earlier mentioned, people want to have solutions to the problems that they face on a daily basis, and this platform is created to provide that solution. So as a creator, you want to make sure that you have solutions in whatever niche you decide to go into. Just make sure you have solutions. Whether you are in the finance niche, you need to have solutions on how to help people budget, help people save, help people make money. whatever it is. If you are also in other niches, just try as much as you can to help people solve a particular problem in that niche. Once you are able to get a video or produce content that solves problem, then the next thing you want to do is attach a price to your service, right? Which is the next thing that I did. Then I attached a way of making money, from each of the videos, right? Like I always tell you, if you want to start, if you don't know how to start, you are new, you don't know anything, or maybe you are still struggling, because knowledge is power, you guys. You cannot be struggling where there are experts or people that know what you are facing, and then you don't want to get the solution to that. You don't want to keep struggling. Nobody wants to keep struggling, right? So if you are able to make these videos in a way that it solves this problem, you can actually connect or add your charge or add making money system to that video, right? Which is something that I did. And for you to attach way to make money is either you create a service, it's either you maybe add an affiliate link, maybe you're advertising a product, or you want to just be talking about product reviews, you want to be adding links to those products in the videos so that you can get paid whenever people buy those products, or you want to drive in traffic aggressively from other platforms so that you can get the views, get the subscribers, or get the watch time hours that you need and monetize right quickly. But here is where it gets better, where the $1,000 came from, because in that video I told you already how I was able to make $1,000. But here is where the money came from. It's because of course I have a digital course, and of course I also run a one-on-one section, right? So some people bought my one-on-one section while some people bought my digital course. For the one-on-one section, I've gotten like 3, which is about $200 each, and that is about $600. And then the rest money came from my digital course, which I sold for about $50. It is very cheap. Okay, so you guys, that is how the $1,000 came about. So it didn't just come with one person, right? It came from multiple persons buying different types of my product, right? Now, one thing I want you to also know is what actually made this work. How was I able to get this to work? How was I able to get people to pay, right? It is consistency. Yes, I know this does not sound great or is not what you're expecting, but trust me, on this YouTube space, consistency is everything that you need. Every single thing that you need. With time, you are going to get better in your video production, in your editing, in how you make your videos and all of that, but you cannot get better if you are not consistent. In fact, you wouldn't even know your mistakes, right? If you are not consistent, you wouldn't know where you are lagging behind. You wouldn't know where you are good at to continue building on if you are not consistent. But if you are consistent, you'll be able to get better where you are not better with time, and you'll be able to know where you are good and to continually put in the effort. Like, it is that simple. Be consistent, post regularly, target beginner topics, right, in your niche, and use clickable titles. Don't use titles that people don't understand or that don't pass a message across to people, whether message of urgency, whether message of help, whether message of solution, or all of that. Just make sure you use a very good title, a title that is also searchable, right? You do not need viral videos, you need useful videos. A lot of people are targeting just making viral videos. They just want to make one video and then they just expect to blow up. They get their 1,000 subscribers, the 4,000 hours of watch time, and they're monetized. But the problem is, after monetization, you still need views to make money on this YouTube space. So targeting viral videos may not help you in the long run. You will get monetized, but you will not be making money, which is worse, right? So make sure you are not targeting viral videos. Make sure you are consistently building your channel and creating your community, so that once you make progress towards monetization, you will be able to constantly cash out on the YouTube space, right? Now, this is what most people get wrong. Most beginners think that they need 1,000 subscribers first, which is not true, right? It's not true. Stop waiting for monetization. Stop waiting to add. They are not adding income streams, posting without strategies. All these are the mistakes that beginners make when they are creating their first videos or when they start up on YouTube. Now, if you start up like this, you may not be able to build the momentum to actually cash out before monetization. You will only be building your channel towards monetization, and this is not what you want. So you want to do the right thing, which is some of the things that I've mentioned in this video. And then let me tell you what you need to do today if you want to start cashing out from your YouTube channel, whether you have 0 subscribers, whether you don't have watch time hours at all, or whether you've not even gotten to monetization threshold. If you want to monetize, make money on the space without monetization, these are some of the things that you should do. And of course, if I am to start up my own YouTube channels today without monetization to make money, this is exactly what I would do. Number one is pick a niche. Pick a niche around money, around growth, around skill. Maybe you have a skill, maybe you have something that you are good at, you want to teach us. Pick a niche that has to do with people and solution. Pick a niche that has audience. Pick a niche that has the crowd, the audience, right? And a niche that people are actually in. People are looking for information, right? Don't pick a niche that does not have a lot of audience. You will struggle to make money before monetization. Number two is to create problem-solving videos. Make sure that your videos are solving a problem in that particular niche, right? Number three is add monetization from day one. Now, from day one, let people know the services that you provide. If you are maybe in the food niche, let people know that you can provide them with recipes. Let people know that you can provide them with healthy diet, and all of that. Just make sure to add monetization from day one. If you are not into maybe something that you can create a service for, you can actually add affiliate links. Maybe you are in the product review niche, right? You can start adding your affiliate links from the beginning. Let people know that they can purchase this product through your link and get reduction in the price, and then when they buy, you will also get commission for it. And then number four is to make sure that you stay consistent. This is the magic, you guys. Staying consistent and all of these 4 things that I've mentioned are the magic to actually making money on the YouTube space before monetization. If you ever found this video helpful, you have questions you want to ask me, or you have not seen that video that I made prior to this one, I have a link down in the comment section. You can go ahead and check them out. If you're struggling with anything on YouTube when it comes to growing your YouTube channel and you want answers, let me know in the comment section. I will be glad to answer you. If you also want a one-on-one chat with me, or you want to buy a course, or you want something like a course that can teach you from beginning to the end how to grow your YouTube channel from the beginning and start up well and start making money at least within 3 months, monetize your YouTube channel, then go ahead and send me an email that will be in the description box. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, you guys, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.